You're listening to Seven Horns AI, your AI-powered market update. It is Thursday evening, June 18th, 2026, and Wall Street has wrapped up a powerful tech-fueled comeback session. The major indices posted strong gains today, bouncing back from Wednesday's declines. Leading the charge was the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite, which moved notably higher by 1.91% to close at 26,518. The S&P 500 posted solid gains as well, rising 1.05% to finish near 7,500. Meanwhile, the blue-chip Dow Jones Industrial Average lagged behind, closing essentially flat with a gain of just 0.14%. This intraday price action was a classic buy-the-dip story. After opening strongly in response to yesterday's sell-off, where the S&P 500 had dropped 1.2%, buyers stayed in control. The S&P gained early and held those gains all afternoon. Looking ahead to the overnight action, S&P 500 futures are essentially flat, while Nasdaq 100 futures are ticking modestly higher by nearly 0.5%, suggesting that today's technology momentum has some potential follow-through after the bell. In megacap land, semiconductor and artificial intelligence names led the way. NVIDIA and Amazon were the standout leaders, both gaining nearly 3%. Meta Platforms rose 1.7%, and Google's parent Alphabet ticked up 1.17%. Tesla also rallied 1.04%, notably crossing the $400 mark. Apple gained 0.7%, following news that Chief Executive Officer Tim Cook hinted at potential product price increases to offset memory costs. Beyond the megacaps, the semiconductor boom powered massive moves. SanDisk surged 11.5%, Astera Labs rallied 11.3%, and Corning jumped 11.2%. On the downside, IT services faced pressure. Cognizant fell sharply, losing 10.5%, while legacy tech giant IBM declined 5.1%. Turning our eyes across the Pacific, Tokyo's Nikkei 225 surged nearly 1.8% in its previous session, closing above 71,000. Hong Kong's Hang Seng, however, dropped 1.6%. With Wall Street finishing on such a strong note today, Asian markets heading into tonight's Tokyo and Hong Kong Opens are set to receive a positive tailwind, which could lift sentiment and potentially reverse some of Hong Kong's prior weakness. Today's rebound was fueled by massive macro catalysts. First, the Federal Reserve held interest rates steady at 3.5 to 3.75%, clearing up immediate policy uncertainty. Additionally, a geopolitical breakthrough came as a preliminary U.S. and Iran peace deal was signed, reopening the Strait of Hormuz to tanker traffic. This eased geopolitical tensions, sending safe haven gold down slightly and boosting overall risk appetite. That's your market wrap for today. This has been a Seven Horns AI production. For more insights, visit us at sevenhorns.ai. We'll be back tomorrow.